Hello there, that's something I just got through the post. A little pump to go in your bike to pump your tyres up when you're on the move. Runs on a lithium battery. I'm just going to go out and try it out, so come along. Okay. 29. Good. Bingo. There we go. It was a bit low. So there you go. It was about 26 euros on Amazon, and it says there's enough juice in it to pump up 15 times a tire or whatever, so it's pretty good. I just put 10 psi in. Somehow my front tire had gone down, so anyway, it made light work of that with no problem. Comes fully charged, and it comes with adapters for different types of things. If you want to pump up different types of things like a football or whatever, it's got different settings on it for car or bicycle or motorbike. So very handy thing, and very cheap from Amazon. Recommend it. Stay safe.